Joseph here from Eightcap. Welcome to today's update. We're looking at the Russel 2000 cash. It's not a normal market I normally look to take any positions from or do trade actively, but it is presenting a interesting little pattern at the moment. We can see that in front of us now. So price is a touch zoomed out. We can see that overall it still remains pretty range bound. There's pretty much, it's below this key resistance level seen just here, and we have some key support down at this level here. So at the moment we have a trend break and we have a low high, but we have some pretty stubborn support here, which is minor to key support, and it is forming this triangle pattern. And that's really what we're looking to gauge at the moment. Now we do have some bearish overtones to it as well, but we do have some bullish underlying support here. Price momentum wise for the RSI, we are seeing it tracking below the 50. The moving average is still pointing quite nicely down, but those two on their own don't really give you a trading plan, a trading entry on their own. They do give you a little bit of an indication, but due to the fact that they can be seen as lagging, you do have to take that into account. So we do need price confirmation. So if we just zoom in here and have a bit of a look on the short term, I suppose the real big key factor here with the FOMC coming up this week, will we see a break of this support? And if we do see a break of that support, is that thing going to validate the lower high? And will we see a new break lower? And could that come down to test sort of this area here, or even down to test this previous consolidation area and resistance? Now, if we did get back there, could that then become support? But first things really first, we need to see if sellers are for real at this point in time, and if they are going to take another test of this support. So we can see all the tails on that support level at the moment, and there's been a lot of heavy rejection there from buyers. So it may take something a little bit special to break through that again. So I'm interested to see this evening and tomorrow if sellers can have another go at testing that support. Now, if it does hold again, and if we do see something more positive later in the week on the FOMC, don't also rule out a potential snapback. Even if you did see a bit of a run, if we did have another failed low and then a good bullish close, that could also set up a break higher out of the triangle pattern. So even though the descending triangles can be seen as bearish after a trend break, also don't discount the fact of the overall range, and it could snap up to the upside as well. But if we do see a really nice, fair, strong close below this support level followed up by a new low, that could be a sign then that we could see further downside as well. So it's an interesting one to keep an eye on, and we'll see later in the week, or even today or tomorrow, if we do get a breakout and a confirmation of that breakout with the direction of the market. So that's it for today's update. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for your time, and all the best for your trading for the rest of the day. And until our next update, good trading and bye for now.